watching, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is gonna be of DIY projects that I'm gonna do. Every time you do a project in construction, one thing that you're gonna have a lot is garbage, a lot of garbage. So in my case, I'm lucky. I have a landfill near me, which from time to time, I like every 1 month or two, maybe every month, depends how much work I do in my house. I'm doing renovation completely. So I did the sidings. So in this case, I'm gonna do here. It's gonna be stones, which later you're gonna see how it gets done. That's why it looks like this. So here I'm gonna put on the porch. On this porch, I'm gonna do some woodwork. So all of this you're gonna see eventually. But one thing that you're gonna see today is how we transport our garbage to the landfill. So I have this handy trailer, which I bought on Five Marketplace for $150 or something like that. I rent this U-Haul this time because my van has a hitch. It's broken, but this is one thing. So you have to cover the garbage. We're gonna go to the landfill today, so you need to cover it. And I'll show you how it is the process to go over there and drop the garbage and pay and everything. So what you do is, first, once you have your trailer full, you cover it. You cannot go to the landfill with your trailer open. They're not gonna accept it that way. They're gonna make you cover it, or they're not gonna, sometimes they don't let you in. So this time I do it in a U-Haul. I have some extra garbage in the U-Haul. That's why the trailer, it looks a little empty today. And sometimes I bring that trailer almost full of garbage. Over there I'm missing siding, which you're gonna learn how to install it. So let's see. We're almost ready, so we go now to the landfill, which is around 6 minutes from my house. If you're gonna do construction, you need to have a place where you're gonna store all your garbage or all your waste materials. On the process of construction, like if you do a job like I do, meaning every time I have a day off or something like that, I do some work at home. So I cannot have a dumpster sitting on my lawn for years, for months. So I've been doing my house for almost a year. I did everything in this house: roof, plumbing, electric, ceiling, sheetrock inside. I changed all the insulation. I throw pretty much the whole house. It's unfortunately that I didn't do it a video for the channel. So let's start now. And we're gonna do this together. Where I'm from, the landfill doesn't look like this. It looks totally different. So you have 2 lanes. In this case, it used to be different, but now how it is you have to go in this lane. You see that truck that is coming here? He already deposited the garbage. So what they do is they weigh it back and they charge her accordingly for how much waste he had. He didn't have to stop there. So in my case, I have to be weighted here. See, I have to stop on the scale. You see over there a number. A number is me. Over there. So I'm gonna go here. Trucking park. Take a number. be sitting over there. They're gonna weigh me again and see the difference. This building here, this is where they have, I never came here, I never come to this building, but you can see from the outside, this is where they have all the cardboards and stuff like that. So all the cardboard boxes are going over there. I don't know from when they bring it here or not. So these trucks, these boxes is where they pull the garbage that we bring. Some garbage, it gets on the back over there, it gets buried, and while the garbage is decomposed, it creates methane gas. So they collect the methane gas. Sometimes when they have a lot of methane gas, they burn it sometimes. So you see the pipes burning. I mean, this is one of the, here they have all the rubbers and tires over there. So I'm telling you what I know so far. See over there. This is where we put all the garbage. So we have to wait here, and that truck finish, he goes next, and then I'm third online. Okay, it's almost my turn. So the van that was in front of me, they are already parking. So once they're done, and then I'm heading myself. I'm bringing my van into it. This is how it looks at Landfill. Let's take the garbage out. Drop it whatever you want. And they pick it up for you. So I don't know if I can record here, so I just wanted to show you how it is. So pretty much you just take the garbage, drop it whatever you want. I'm gonna continue recording in a minute. How you throw the garbage yourself. Alright, so now let's go to the fun part. Let's pay. Let's see how much it costs. Throw all that garbage out. If I make some mistakes talking in English, remember my main language is Spanish. Yeah. To follow the path. So that those trucks like this in our company, they don't have to go to the office. Sometimes they just drive by. So I guess it's because they have an account. So we have to walk through here. I'm most probably gonna have to turn off the video at the office. See those people over there? How they throwing garbage? So you can come yourself and do it. Okay. So I didn't want to record in the office because I know sometimes they don't like this. So what I did was, went in there, I paid for it. So I'm gonna show you once I get to the truck. But in reality, what I paid was $46 for the trailer full and some materials, also some garbage inside the van as well. So the amount was $48, and the scale, let me see, what is the scale? 620 pounds. So that's how much weight I throw out. 620 pounds, and I pay $48. So make your numbers and see if that is something that you can do yourself. Subscribe. I hope you like the video. If you like, please press like, comment, ask any question that I can. I do my best to answer. Starting this channel to help you guys to do some projects yourself. So if you like the video, press like and subscribe. This is what all the YouTube says. So that's what I'm saying again. I wanna grow the channel. So all your help is appreciated. Thank you so much.